This quick guide shows how to replace the SSD in a MacBook Air safely and efficiently. You'll need a pentalobe screwdriver, Torx bit, spudger, anti-static wrist strap, and a compatible NVMe SSD. Power off, unplug, and ground yourself. Warning, static can damage components. Use an anti-static strap. Remove the bottom case using the pentalobe screwdriver and set the screws aside in a labeled tray. Disconnect the battery connector carefully with a spudger to prevent accidental power while you work. Locate the SSD module and unscrew the mounting screw to free the original drive. Slide the old SSD out at a shallow angle and place it in an anti-static bag. Insert the new compatible SSD into the slot, press gently, and secure it with a mounting screw. Time-lapse reassembly. Reconnect the battery, replace the bottom case, and tighten all screws. Power on and boot into macOS Recovery to format and restore files. Expect faster app launches and transfers. Before and after, boot time and file transfer speeds should noticeably improve. Buy verified NVMe SSDs from reputable retailers. That's it. If you're unsure, consult an authorized technician. Links to compatible SSDs appear below.